The Lower Paleolithic and its historical importance. The Lower Paleolithic is the first stage of the Old Stone Age, spanning from approximately 2.6 million years ago to around 300,000 years ago. This period marks a critical starting point in human development and the emergence of early human societies. During this era, significant advancements were made in stone tool production, primitive technology, and social organization. The Lower Paleolithic is characterized by the development of basic stone tools, which began as rudimentary implements and later evolved into more complex designs. This era also witnessed the appearance of different hominin species, such as Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and possibly Homo heidelbergensis. These early humans played a pivotal role in developing new techniques for tool making, using fire, and migrating across continents. In the following sections, we will explore the key features of the Lower Paleolithic in detail, including human evolution, stone tool industries, social and economic environments, the use of fire, and geographic dispersal. 1. Human evolution in the Lower Paleolithic A, the emergence of Homo habilis. The Lower Paleolithic began with the appearance of Homo habilis, considered the first hominin species to regularly use stone tools. Dating back to about 2.8 million years ago, Homo habilis was first discovered in East Africa. This species had a smaller brain compared to modern humans, but larger than its predecessors, such as Australopithecus. Homo habilis was capable of walking upright, which facilitated movement between different regions. Additionally, they had flexible hands that could grasp and produce tools. The simple stone tools associated with Homo habilis, such as sharp-edged flakes, marked the beginning of true human tool making. B. The rise of Homo erectus. Following Homo habilis, Homo erectus emerged as one of the most important early human species. Dating back to approximately 1.9 million years ago, Homo erectus had a significant impact on human evolution. They were larger in size than Homo habilis and possessed a larger, more complex brain. One of the most notable traits of Homo erectus was their ability to create more advanced tools, such as hand axes, known as Acheulean hand axes. These tools were used for a wide range of activities, including cutting meat, cleaning hides, and processing plants. Furthermore, it is believed that Homo erectus was the first to intentionally use fire, which improved their diet through cooking. See geographic dispersal of Homo erectus. The presence of Homo erectus was not limited to Africa. They also spread to Asia and Europe. The dispersal of Homo erectus across continents is one of the most significant events in human history, demonstrating their adaptability to diverse environments. For example, evidence of Homo erectus has been found in China, such as the Zhoukoudian site, and in Europe, such as the Atapuerca site. Second, stone tool industries in the Lower Paleolithic A. The Oldowan industry. The Oldowan industry is the earliest known stone tool tradition, dating back to around 2.6 million years ago. It consisted of small, sharp-edged flakes produced by striking stones against each other. These tools were used for various tasks, such as cutting meat, extracting marrow from bones, and processing hides. The Oldowan tools were created by Homo habilis and relied on direct percussion techniques. However, these methods were imprecise, resulting in tools that varied greatly in shape and size. The Acheulean industry, with the emergence of Homo erectus, stone tool production evolved into what is known as the Acheulean industry. This tradition is more sophisticated than the Oldowan, featuring larger and more precise tools, such as hand axes. Acheulean hand axes were crafted using advanced techniques like planned flaking, where the location of the strike was carefully determined to achieve a specific shape. These tools were used for a variety of purposes, including chopping wood, cutting meat, and constructing shelters. See specialized tools toward the end of the Lower Paleolithic. Specialized tools began to appear, designed for specific tasks. For example, tools used for fishing or plant processing have been discovered. These specialized tools reflect an increased understanding of the environment and a more nuanced approach to economic activities. 3. Social and economic environments. A. Daily life. People in the Lower Paleolithic lived in small groups, typically consisting of extended families. Their livelihood depended entirely on hunting and gathering. They hunted wild animals and collected fruits, nuts, and seeds from the natural environment. Basic social cooperation. Despite the simplicity of Lower Paleolithic societies, there is evidence of basic social cooperation. For instance, hunting often required coordinated efforts among several individuals, indicating the existence of rudimentary social systems for collective work. See trade and exchange. While there is no strong evidence of organized trade during the Lower Paleolithic, there are some indications that people may have exchanged raw materials like rare stones or manufactured goods. For example, stone tools have been found far from their source quarries, suggesting they were transported over long distances. 4. The use of fire. A. Discovery of fire. It is believed that Homo erectus was the first to intentionally use fire. Although fire existed naturally due to lightning or forest fires, Homo erectus learned how to control and utilize it for practical purposes. Benefits of fire use. The use of fire provided numerous benefits for early humans. First, it improved their diet by enabling them to cook food, making it easier to digest and safer to consume. Second, fire served as protection against predators. Third, it provided warmth, especially in colder climates. Cultural development. The use of fire also had significant cultural implications. For example, gathering around the fire may have fostered social interaction and communication among individuals. Fire might also have had symbolic importance, potentially linked to rituals or celebrations. 5. Geographic dispersal. A. Migration out of Africa. Early humans began migrating out of Africa around 1.8 million years ago. This migration was driven by factors such as the search for food, climate changes, and competition for resources. B. Adaptation to diverse environments. Early humans demonstrated remarkable adaptability to different environments, whether desert, tropical forests, or arid steppes. For instance, in Asia, Homo erectus lived in diverse habitats ranging from tropical rainforests to deserts. Chapter Archaeological Evidence. Archaeological findings provide valuable insights into the dispersal of early humans. For example, stone tools attributed to Homo erectus have been discovered at multiple sites around the world, highlighting their extensive geographical range. The significance of the Lower Paleolithic. The Lower Paleolithic represents a crucial phase in human history, witnessing the emergence of early human forms, the development of stone tool industries, the use of fire, and geographic expansion. Each of these elements contributed to shaping the foundation for the evolution of humans and human societies in subsequent eras. Despite the simplicity of life during the Lower Paleolithic, this period was rich with innovations and transformations that influenced the course of human history. Through studying this era, we can better understand how humans evolved from simple beings into complex creatures capable of controlling their environment and developing advanced technologies.